Like most of the people are using these functions in their daily working life. So who if you're using Excel, so you might have already used it. If you have not used it, so you can use it now. Okay, so first see what VLOOKUP do or XLOOKUP do. Later we'll see the difference between these two. Okay, so for our easily understanding, I have taken these two table. Okay, so table 1 and table 2. So we have some data in table 2 with similar, we have some similar data in both the tables. So in your case, there may be a very huge table. So for an example, I have taken this small table to understand it. But when you will be working in real life, you will be getting a very huge kind of data. So you'll have to reconcile sometimes. Sometimes you need some data from another table. So let's say see an example. So I'll see what VLOOKUP do. Okay, so VLOOKUP basically takes data from another table by taking a common code. Okay, so there should be one common code in both the tables. Then only you will be able to apply VLOOKUP. So in our case, we have column code. Okay, in column code we have some data that is present in another table also, table 1. So if you don't have any column, you will not be able to apply VLOOKUP. So most of the time you have it. Okay, so let's say this is table 2 and I'm working in table 2. So I want some data from this table. So let's say I want to see the price from another table. So I want to cross check if the price of table 2 is matching with price of table 1. So if you have a large amount of data, you cannot go like, okay, T01, okay, T01 we have rice, we have 100 rupees. Okay, here also we have 100 rupees. You can't go like that one by one. So what you will do, if you have thousands of items, thousands of line item, you will apply VLOOKUP. Okay, VLOOKUP, there is a function in Excel that will quickly see, like it will take data reference from here T01. It will go here. Okay, T0. It will search this table. Okay, by this number. By this number it will search. Okay, if it is able to find this number T01. Okay, it is here, and the column what you want. So you want price, so you will give, while typing VLOOKUP function, it will ask for the column index number. So in that time you will give as index number as column 3. Okay, so because you are starting from here and your data is here, you want this data, so you will give column 3. So it will search for this number and take data from here and show you here as 100. Okay, if you would have given column 2 here, so it would have taken rice as a result. So we are searching for price, we'll give column index number 3. Okay, so similarly it will you will do copy paste here. It will take all the data from this column. Okay, and if the data is not there, so let's suppose T108 chips is not here in my another table T01. So here it will show not applicable, not available in other table. So we'll see this by an example in my laptop screen, and I will show you how we type VLOOKUP formula. And yeah, the difference between the two, VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP. So see, when you are applying VLOOKUP, okay, you will have to give first you will have to select table array. Okay, you'll have to select table array, then you will have to lock it. Some function is there, function F2, in order to lock this. Otherwise it will when when your formula going down, it will also leave the part of your table which is not there above that line item. So VLOOKUP has some that is very useful, but it is not easier as XLOOKUP. Okay, so what XLOOKUP do, in XLOOKUP we will not select whole data. First of all, we just select this line item. So XLOOKUP this. Another drawback of VLOOKUP is, so if you are taking data from here, so this is your common code reference. So VLOOKUP will show only the result from which is on on its right side. So your common code is here, right? So you can able to get data from the right side of it. Okay, you will not be able to take data from here, from left side. So sometimes what happen is your common code will be in the middle of the table. Okay, in that case, if you want to apply VLOOKUP, you will have to take the common code at your left hand side, then only you will able to take price. So let's say price is here, let's say code is not here, code is here. Okay, code is here. Now you will not be able to apply VLOOKUP by using common code, since your price is on the left hand side. So if you are using XLOOKUP, then simply select this column code here from the right side, and you will get data from here from the left side without selecting any array and all those things. So I will show this through an example in my laptop screen.